Welcome friends to 7th module of AI. We will be discussing problems with search methods and solutions in this particular module. We have seen so many search methods. We have seen unguided search methods, we have seen guided search methods, we have seen search methods which were generic, which we have used, we have talked about search methods which are used in recent times like variable descent and simulated tunneling and all that. Though these search methods are quite good, there are some problems with the search methods. Sometimes a designer has to deal with those problems additionally. We will be discussing about them right now. One important problem, one typical problem that every search method has to deal with is called the type of heuristic function. Some heuristic functions only look at the local values and give you decision based on those local values. Sometimes that result into local maxima. Compared to that, some other heuristic functions are quite global in the sense that you give a heuristic value which is globally correct. In that sense, you do not fall into local maxima, you just reach to goal. We will look at one typical example here and then we will move on to other cases. There are a lot of other problems. For example, whether the search is assisted by human or not, whether the search method is to be interrupted, you require to interact with that search method and so on and so forth. So, this particular module is about those problems and some solutions to them, okay. But anyway, they are not general problems, you may encounter them, you may not encounter them based on the problems that you are dealing with. Okay, let us begin. Okay, the first thing, we need to change or modify search methods to adapt to situations. Not every situation is the same, not every problem is similar. You need to adapt, you need to tune, you need to adjust to it. Okay, and the first thing is dependency on heuristic function, which I have already told you. Okay, the other problem is whether you need to provide explanation. Now, search method, that is one more problem. See, if search method is traveling in a direction and gets a solution, for example,